Hello, my name is Annay and welcome to another GlamrRoom video. Se cerró la puerta. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make a toy chest with a sitting bench on top from Pallets and 2x4s because that's what I have. And so I'm gonna recycle everything I have and we'll see how it turns out.
My mom, and this is my dad over there.
He's over there.
Yeah. And we having a video.
A video? Okay, so right now we're gonna be going into another town to go
Into Roswell.
No, not to Roswell. No. We're gonna go to find some pallets and I'm gonna bring you guys along just so that we can start making the toy chest for his room.
Yay.
So we came out to this ranch to pick up some of the pallets. I don't know if you guys can see them in the back, but I didn't even film it because it is super windy outside and I don't think that you guys were gonna be able to hear me, but I'm just gonna show you guys which ones we picked up.
It's the rap Jedis, it's your boy, Swags, Hernet Kane, learn the name. They call me Swag Swim Blue, purple lightsaber Mace Wind. This is a shout to all the legends in the game. Take a listen, It's Nipsey when it came to hustling, 50 when it came to struggling, cause a young nigga came from nothing. But we all tryna be something. Tupac when it came to lyrics. I got that thug passion and that spirit. Slim Shady when it came to fearless. Guaranteed when you hear it, you'll feel this. You know I gotta shout out all the legends in the game. Real cheese know what they about. And all the rappers nowadays tryna diss them, tryna get more fame off of someone not living. That's some motherfucking pussy shit. J Swags, you know what I'm cooking with. Straight gas, shouting out the real dogs. Method Man, Red Man, real hard. Smoking on that shit. Leave you in the fog all day, motherfucking long. Gotta pay homage to the real rappers. You know we got a piff package. So high all the time, I got to spit a rhyme. Every time I blow, piff a dabs on cloud 9. Ripping slabs. I gotta shout DMX, Drag on Jadakiss, even Funk Flex. Y'all know who's my idol in the game. Machiavelli the Don, learn the name. And if you don't know him yet, pay homage, kid. Tupac is my favorite rapper, you dig? Shout out to the new school, Wiz Khalifa, Burner's my dude. I fuck with all the true G's in the game. From Run DMC to Lil Wayne, T.I., Slick Rick, Dougie Fresh, Fresh Prince, Jazzy Jeff. You know my vibe is the best. Shout out to a Tribe Called Quest, Wu-Tang, Bone Thugs, man. CUB, come a voice the game. Fogging all day long, cause you know we just hit the bomb. Took a dab right before the song, fresher than the rest of y'all, so come on. Arizona, sipping on Corona. Arizona, leave it alone, bruh. Coming straight from Ace, all about my paper, don't make me erase, yeah. From Nas, Lloyd Banks, Notorious B.I.G. to UGK, Ball and MJG. Salute to the true MCs. Murder took the shock of the Master P. Outcast, Young Buck, all the way to shine. Dead President, Jay-Z, Big L has skill with the design. These young cats don't even know how to act, slurring their words and whack raps. I'm just over here spitting the facts. Gotta respect the legends, or you can be gone in 60 seconds. Lil Xan, fucking pill popping animal. Swags Wind Blue, eating the track like a cannibal. Similar to a Hannibal. Let feed Lil Pump or 6ix9ine the tag. Smoking all day long. Just hit the pipe or the bongs, roll a blunt, smoke a joint or two. My point to get across to you is you gotta respect the legends. You gotta shout out the legends, or you could be gone next.